Hi everybody, today I'm going to unbox for you a pair of Dream Pair shoes. I ordered a pair of the D Platform fashion sneakers, and let's see what it looks like once it arrives. Alright, so let's take a look at the box here. Dream Pairs. Here's the website. I ordered the white and apricot in a women's 7.5. So let's take a look and see what it looks like when it arrives. All right, here you go. So it's a nice leather finish. You can see it's got the platform heel. I like it because I'm a little short, so it gives me that extra height. I like the contrast between this apricot and the white. You've got your cloth laces. Let me give you kind of a 360 view of the shoe. Rubber soles on the bottom. It's got that cloth upper. Let me take this out. Nice padding on the inside. Let me take the other one out too so I can show you both. There you go. So I like the fact that these are leather. It'll be easier to keep clean. And again, I like the height. Nice color. So looking forward to wearing these. They're really cute. And I think they'll be a nice addition. Hope that was helpful for you. If you're someone that's trying to see if this is something that you're interested in, I did go ahead and show you the website. I can put that in the description as well. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.